Oh telilele, oh telilele, telelele, oh telilele, oh telilele, telele, atelilele, oh telilele, telilele, telele, atelilele, oh telilele. Waduka di kataratsa moya, waduka di kataratsa moya, telele telele telele. Aruna ribuale manyelo, ribuale manyelo, ribuale manyelo. Telele 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 telele. Ribulela li mudimu, ribulela li Jehova, ribuwa li Mesia. Le khosi Saulo, le khosi Saulo, atinye ile maikutlo, ubitsa Davida bana. Utla gore ho Davida, monna Davida, akoletsa Aripa fe munayo. Ke mo utlwa Davida re telelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelelel Profeta, il a tshwenye ga maikutlo a bona kgosi Saulo a tshwenyegile banna yo a re lebaka ke mmino a re le ba profeta le ba prista ba baholo ba ile ba makalla Dafita ba motse ba re monna Dafita e ka ba o etsa ale Dafita ina tshwara aripa a bolala le mpini ale lebaka ke mmino Makwanseke